Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I welcome everyone in our channel, the Peaceful Igbo Academy, where we learn how to speak Igbo, where we teach our children their language, their mother tongue. M na-ekene onye ọbụla nke onye chiri ya zelu. M na-ekele nwoke na-ekele nwanyị. Mmiri atana ma azụ anwụ na. Egbe bere ugobere nke si ibe ya ebene ya gwa ya ebe ọ ga-ebe. Today, my people, I welcome you all to Peaceful Igbo Academy. Tata anyị ga-eleba anya na parts of the body. We look at the parts of the body. What are they called in Igbo language? You find out that most of our children, they will tell you, Mommy, my eyes, my nose, my stomach, my leg, my hand. They don't know what they call in Igbo. So today, we want to teach our children and our people, and also whoever that has interest to learn Igbo language, what the parts of the body is called in Igbo language. Ndewonu, ndị njem ọnụ. Anyị ga-ebido from the head. Wee na-agbadata. Head. What is head called in Igbo language? Head is called isi. Isi. Head is called isi in Igbo language. What is hair? Hair in Igbo language. Hair is called ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu. Ọ bụrụkwa nke a artificial. Nke a artificial. Ntutu, that is our hair. Our hair is called ntutu isi. What is eyes called in Igbo language? Eyes is called anya. Anya. Anya is eyes in Igbo. In some dialects, they call it enya, enya. But the central is anya. So eyes is called anya in Igbo language. Nose. Nose is called imi, imi in Igbo language. Mouth is called onu in Igbo language. Kedu ihe anyị na-akpọ ear n'asụsụ Igbo? What is ear in Igbo language? Ear is called ntị. Ntị is called ear in English. Ear is called ntị in Igbo language. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ eze n'asụsụ Bekee? What is teeth in Igbo language? Teeth is called eze n'asụsụ Igbo. Teeth is called eze n'asụsụ Igbo. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ ire na Bekee? What is tongue in Igbo language? What is tongue? What is tongue? Tongue is called ire in Igbo language. What is face? What is face in Igbo language? Face is called ihu in Igbo language. What is hand? What is hand in Igbo language? What do we call hand in Igbo language? Hand is called aka. Hand is called aka in Igbo language. What is leg? What is leg called in Igbo language? Leg is called ụkwụ. O nwere ihe ịmụta n'ụbọchị taa? o nwere ihe ịmụta. O nwee ihe ịmụtara, go to the comment section. Comment. Depụta otu ndị obodo unu si akpọpụta aha ndị a. Because we know that in Igbo, when you come to Igbo land, we have so many dialects. Abakaliki has their dialects. Ngwa, Owerri, Nsukka, Ihiala, Onitsha, Nnewi. They all have their own dialects. Please go to the comment section. Depụta ihe ndị obodo unu na-akpọ ihe ndị a. I'll be waiting for you there in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Let's join hands together. Let's join hands together to make sure that Igbo language did not die in our time. Let's go join hands together to teach our children how to speak our language. Maka na asụsụ Igbo bụ nke anyị, nke a bụ nke anyị. Comment, like, and share to others. Ụbọchị nta ka anyị shụọ n'Owerri nchi. Shebirikwe m na vidiyo ọzọ nke m ga-eme. I love you all. Asụsụ Igbo ga-adị ma gbaa mgbọrọgwụ. Ndewonu ka o mesịa. Bye bye.